Fast, cute, and teacher approved. Let's make skinny pencil cookies. Hi, I'm Leslie with Leslie's Cookies and Treats, and if you love decorating sugar cookies or you want to learn how, you're in the right place. Let's decorate together. These skinny pencil sugar cookies are the perfect way to show that superhero that's been teaching your kid all year that you appreciate them. Pair it with a little gift card, and you've got a really awesome gift. All of the supplies you need to decorate these cookies are listed in the description, so decorate along with me. I'm starting out by using a royal icing in about a 15-second consistency. It might actually be a little bit stiffer than that to outline and flood in this pencil. This is a pretty big pencil. It's about 7.5 inches long, and it's about a half an inch wide. So it just barely fits on my cookie turntable. And you don't need to have a cookie turntable, but I highly recommend one. It makes it really easy to move the cookie around so you can see it from all sides without having to touch the cookie. And once you outline it and fill it in, go ahead and use your scribe, or you can use a toothpick to smooth the icing out. Make sure you get it all the way out to that edge. And if your outline wasn't perfect, you can move it over a little bit here by pushing the icing closer towards the edge of the cookie. And once you get it all smooth, immediately grab some tan icing, and we're going to make the wooden part of the pencil tip. I'm not even outlining here, I'm just flooding it in. And then I'll use my scribe to shape it and get it out to the edges. And it's okay if it blends in a little bit with the yellow pencil, if you kind of make it a little zigzaggy and you push some icing out into the yellow, because that's what real pencils look like. And once you have that looking the way you want it, grab your black icing and immediately go ahead and add the pencil lead, and then smooth that out with your scribe as well. And once you're done with that, turn your cookie to the other end, and we'll go ahead and add the eraser at this time. So grabbing my pink royal icing, I'm just going to outline a little rectangle here. My pink icing is also 15-second consistency. I'll flood that in and then use my scribe to shape it into a nice sharp corners for the eraser. I let the cookie dry for about 20 minutes, and then I came back in with my white icing. You could also use a gray icing here, and I just filled in the little part between the pencil and the eraser and use my scribe to shape it. And then I let this cookie dry completely for about 24 hours. And using some edible silver luster dust, I'm just going to paint this silver, and I'll leave a link in the description with all of the products I used. And I got a little bit of paint on the eraser, so I cleaned off my brush, and I'm just going to wipe that away. And now it's time to write the words. I'm going to use a projector and a royal icing in about a 20 to 25-second consistency. I used Canva to design the words, and then I'm just going to project that down onto my cookie and trace over it as best as I can. This is real time. This is how slow I am going. So I'm going to touch down. I'm going to keep my piping bag close to my cookie. I'm holding it kind of like a pen or a pencil, and I'm just going to go ahead and write the word thank you. And now I've sped the video up. But you just want to go slow. You can use a slightly dampened paintbrush to push down any peaks at the start or stop of your lines, and even move your line over a little bit if you need to. And if you don't have a projector, the tissue paper method also works good for this, and I'll leave a link in the description for that tutorial. And then these adorable little pencil cookies are done. I have a cute tag that I made to go along with it where kids could write a thank you note to their teacher. And the boxes come with it with the cookie cutters, again, all linked in the description. Also in the description are tips for baking these cookies, because you want to make sure they stay nice and straight so they fit in the box. Okay, class dismissed. Your homework, bake these cookies, and leave a comment about your favorite teacher gift to give or receive. Bye!